Hey, are you looking for a keyboard that sounds like this right out the box? Well, today we're going to be unboxing the Yunzii Al66. Upon taking this out of the box, you're given 2 instruction manuals in 2 different languages, extra keycaps, and on top of that, you're given a switch puller and, of course, the cable and a couple extra switches. Now, without further ado, let's actually take out the keyboard itself. This is a 65% layout keyboard, and as you guys heard earlier, it sounds amazing. It comes stock with Yunzii's milk switches, and on top of that, it has a volume knob that also controls the RGB. This keyboard comes with a wireless option with a dongle and Bluetooth, and also supports Mac and Windows. With all that being said, let's go back to hearing how it sounds. Lastly, it also has an aluminum backplate, and remember, this is completely unmodded.